Hello everyone, welcome to the first instalment of How To Builds. Today we're going to be building a Railway Series Mark II Thomas the Tank engine. Enjoy! We're going to start here with Thomas's piston block, which is separate from his smoke box for now, but can be added on to the actual model itself. Starting to work on his chassis now. And his footplate. These wheels are a stand-in for the Big Ben Bricks medium-sized wheel sets. I've put a link to their website in the description so you can buy your own wheels to use for your own model. My model has connecting rods on the inside that work. You don't have to add these details if you don't want to, as it is quite fiddly. With his splashes and main body taking shape, he's starting to look more like an engine. The piece in the middle of the buffer beam can be replaced with your own designs for couplings. My current preference is using a 5-length black chain. My Thomas does have some cab detail, but it isn't necessary and doesn't have to be added if you wish. His cab has taken shape and we're now moving on to the coal bunker. The coal can be any arrangement you'd like it to be. Thomas's boiler is as simple as it looks, though I've used glue dots to stop the funnel from spinning freely. Now that the main build is done, I can show you the progression of my model. It started out with a simple paper face drawn onto a blank sticker. These are the easiest to make, but it can be hard to draw the face correctly. I went out of my way to buy a mini Golden Bear Thomas. I took him apart and filed down the back of the face. I then used a glue dot to secure it in place. A pretty perfect fit. It even has a Railway Series rim. The livery was the most challenging part as I'd never done one before. I linked to Fox Transfers where I got the waterslide decals, is in the description. This model was designed solely for the purpose of stop motion. However, if you're smart, I'm sure you can wire up a motor somehow. And if you want him to run on tighter curves, you can replace the centre wheels with blind drivers, aka the wheels without flanges. This model worked amazingly for me during flash photography, and I hope it works for you too. This is Wiley Forrest signing out.